Hello.
Okocha.
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Thanks for joining us.
Good afternoon. This is Captain Captain Ogunofo.
Retire Captain Ogunofo. Okay, retire.
I speak to you all the time. Remember when I told you about my security consciousness?
Yeah. The guy that was Nigeria naval officer. Yeah, you told me. I remember now.
I told my colleague, ex-colleague, my colleague in the army speak to you. Well, I'm watching your program live.
Okay, yeah. Thanks for joining us. And I am happy that some of you guys who are ex-naval officer, ex-military officers are joining live because of the sensitivity of the topic that I'm treating today. So you have the mic. What do you have to tell us about repentant Boko Haram fleeing with guns?
I have 3 or 4 things
okay.
to tell you, not to you, to Nigerians.
Okay.
For me, I'm not a Nigerian, I'm a Biafra. I've been a Biafra right from the creation of that country.
Okay.
And I will always be. Even my father was an ex-military man too. He fought under the Biafran army. So he later joined the Nigerian police. He is late now. Yes, he retired as the deputy commissioner of police. That I won't tell the state or where.
Okay.
So what I want to say is I want to just touch some things that an eye-opener. I want to talk from eye-opener. Now, my brother that spoke just before I called you, talking about the whites to come, United Nations to come, America to come. Why are you people wasting your time? Why would they come when they know that more confusion in your land will make them steal your resources more? Why would they come when they know that when you're in confusion, that is when they loot you more? When you're together, when you're at peace, they can't steal what they are stealing, what they are getting. You don't know that you have air stripes, runways in the middle of the forest where they come, they land, they pack your goods, they take off without even you knowing that they are coming in and looting you. You don't know that. They need you to have more problems. The more problem you have, the more resources they loot. This thing France want to Burkina Faso and Mali and Nigeria. They want to put competition there so that they can be still looting their uranium. It's the simple thing. People should be wise and understand. They will not come. We have to take it in our own hands. It is our destiny. We must take it in our hands. We must all rise up. Stand to the occasion. That is by the side anyway. Then on that again, I want to advise the Fulanis if they will hear me. Because I know they are watching. I am sorry for you people. You know why I say I'm sorry for you people? You are only cooking up what you cannot finish. Because by the time they call the native Nigerians, the original Nigerians, the real people that owns Nigerians, the indigenous people rise up. Fulani, you will not even exist in Nigeria. They are going to send you back to where you're coming from.
But we have 2 kinds of Fulanis, according to the information at my disposal. One set of them were imported by the politicians, the ones they used to form Boko Haram, banditry. They call them Ororo Fulanis. Then, yes.
I don't want you to even go there. Don't go there. Why I say don't go there is because we are not even going to the real thing. Which one is the 2 set of Fulanis? Which tribe in Nigeria? Have you ever had any tribe in Nigeria that came from outside into Nigeria? Tell me the tribe that came from that place to Nigeria.
Meaning they are not from Nigeria.
It's only the Fulanis. They are not indigenous to Nigeria. They are visitors. They came during their so-called what do you call it? I don't like talking about them, so I don't care about them. Remember how they came? They came and they fought their nonsense Sharia war and they started taking over from the Hausas and the rest of it. So they are not even Nigerians. They are not Nigerians. That's the reason why they should be calm. Instead of them causing problems. Because finally, the same Hausas that welcome them will send them out. You want to tell me now that if Hausas reject them, they have any place to go? The main owners of that northern land is the Hausas, the Kanuris, the Pujams, the Chukums,
thieves,
the Thieves. So what are they going to do? Where are they going to go? Is it their land? They are strangers, just like the woman I watched you play last time. Talk how they accepted them in Lebanon. They came and ran over to Lebanon. The same thing in talk. So don't worry, they will get what they are asking for. Very soon people will understand what is going on. They will get what they are asking for. It is an advice to them. Let them continue. Bye bye. I'm telling them bye bye in advance. Bye-bye from Nigeria. Anyway, let me go to the real thing that made me call you.
Okay.
Nigerians, indigenous people of Nigeria. I am your son, your brother. I've been there, I've tested it, I've been with them, good and bad and the ugly. I've done it all with them. Listen, you people, if you're sleeping, you should all wake up. You should all wake up. Nnamdi Kanu said it. They thought it was a joke. Obadiah said it before he died. They thought it was a joke. T.Y. Danjuma said it. You thought it was a joke. Well, I might not have gotten to such a rank, but I'm going to tell the word treason and mutiny.
Okay, treason and mutiny. Tell us.
Good people are the people committing mutiny and treason in Nigeria that you know. The people committing mutiny and treason in Nigeria is the military men, the Nigerian military men, and the politicians. How are they committing mutiny and treason? They swore an oath, allegiance oath, before they joined the military or before they become your leaders. There is an oath you swore that I know as a military man to defend your nation rightfully, rightfully, with all your might, your strength, your wisdom. Till you retire. You swear, and let me tell you one thing. When they say retire, it's like going military telling you, okay, you've tried, go and rest. Military men don't retire. You're a military man, you're a military man for life. Because even when you retire, when there is need for you, they will bring you back to still do that thing that you are trained for. Now, how they committing military and treason? They swore an oath to defend you. Yet they are the ones killing you. They swore an oath to defend you. Yet they are supporting terrorists to kill you. They swore an oath to defend you. Yet they are bringing the terrorists into the military. It is against the military rule. Let me tell you people what you don't know. There are what to call. There's what to call first amended rule in the military that says that the terrorist, an armed robber caught with a gun, and see, when you say somebody is an armed robber, if you didn't catch him with a gun, you have to go and put him guilty in the court. When he's being caught with a gun on the act, if you're a military man where armed, you have every right to take him down. The same thing goes for a terrorist. The same thing goes a terrorist, an armed robber, or a murderer. The serial killer that you know that this person, when you say serial killer, somebody that they have found that this person is a killer, that has been killing and escaping. Anywhere you find him, in very slightest chance he tries to do anything, you have the right to take him down as a military man. And you have every right to defend every civilian with everything you have. Even if you come to your life. There's a situation where it comes where you, a military man, will take a bullet for a civilian. That's why you're a military man. That's what you swore to do. That's what you sign an oath for. To defend that civilian. You call him a civilian, you're a military man. Do you understand what it means to be a military man? So what I'm saying now is that Nigerians, you all know where these military men live. They are all your neighbors. Hold them to account. Just like hold your politicians to account. Hold your politicians to account because you gave them the power to represent you. They are committing treason and mutiny by selling you out. By doing the wrong things when they know the right things to do. Keeping quiet. Seeing evil going on, supporting evil. Why will you tell me that Boko Haram cattle away with military? This is military arms. Do you know what it means? Why would they even recruit them into military?
You understand?
Do you know what? Yes. Do you know what it means to be a military man? When you wear that uniform, you're wearing Nigeria on yourself. You're wearing that country on yourself. So nobody has the right to do away with the country's arms. And let me tell you one thing again, people don't know. Nigeria signed an agreement with America to defend their population, to do away with terrorists. That was why Donald Trump told them that fighters, the jet and the helicopters, they agreed that they are not going to use it to bomb their people. And Nigeria is going contrary to that. What is that supposed to be? That's a terrorist act. The government committing terrorism on you people. How can you see all these things? Do you want Okocha will speak, Kanu will speak, Simon will speak, this one will speak. What is this? Are you people deaf and dumb? You don't hear, you don't see. Okay, let me leave that side now. Let me go to something people are not even check, especially the Biafra. If you're a Biafra watching this program, the worst thing that can happen to you people, that I know in the military. That's why I say Nigerian military is gone. For them to allow the terrorists to infiltrate them, they have a lot of informants in the military giving the terrorists information. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria is gone. I say it all the time. Nigeria is gone. Forget if Nigeria is gone, is irredeemable. Now the Biafran, Marcel Simon, but you're watching me. Every Biafran Liberation Army, whoever you are fighting for Biafra, the terrorists or the people that are very, very dangerous, they are even more dangerous than those terrorists are saboteurs, the information keepers. Those people are more dangerous than saboteurs than the terrorists. There's a Bible my people used to say in Igbo. I'll put it in English. They say, one tabara hegbe gbagbo he na ke wo eji wo onye so one ta le gbe bo ti alaga le gbe bo si alaga ebukolela olele gbagbo chere nga gbagbo. Meaning the antelope said his anger is not on the man that shot him, the hunter that shot him. His anger is on the man that saw him escaping. Now told the hunter, look at where he's escaping from, look at his escape route, wait for him there and shoot him. Because if the person did not tell the hunter won't have sighted or seen him, would have escaped freely. So that is the person that shot him, not even the hunter. So until you start dealing with saboteurs, is it the politicians, individuals, with anybody that is a saboteur does not deserve. I tell you, this is a second chance. Other like once you're a saboteur, saboteur cost Biafra the war. Remember, saboteur cost Biafra the war. They are coming back to repeat it. This is about to repeat itself again. So you must take it serious. If you start taking saboteur serious, there will be problem in Biafra land. So my brother Okocha, this is all I have to say for now. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much. I think you are the last one that we are having today because of time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your informations. All right. Thank you so much, everyone who took time to join us this afternoon. I really appreciate that. You have seen a lot of things going on in Nigeria and informations. The first person that spoke with us was former Nigerian military officer who resigned. This one is a former Navy officer who resigned, and they are giving you first-hand information about what is going on in Nigeria. Anyway, that's how everything is going to play out.